What if one simple plant could transform your home, improve your air quality, help you sleep better, and survive even if you forget to water it for weeks? The snake plant is one of the most powerful and low-maintenance houseplants you can own. While many indoor plants need constant attention, this tough green beauty thrives almost anywhere and rewards you with amazing benefits. From modern home decor to cleaner indoor spaces, the snake plant has become a favorite for plant lovers all around the world. Whether you live in a tiny apartment, a busy family home, or work long hours in an office, this plant fits perfectly into your lifestyle. In today's video, we'll reveal 10 incredible benefits of the snake plant that make it one of the best indoor plants for beginners and experienced gardeners alike. Some of these benefits may even surprise you. So make sure to watch until the end, because the last one is something every homeowner will love. Number 1. Improves indoor air quality. One of the biggest reasons people love snake plants is their ability to improve indoor air quality. Modern homes are often filled with dust, chemicals, and indoor pollutants that come from furniture, cleaning products, paint, and electronics. The snake plant helps absorb some of these unwanted toxins while releasing fresh oxygen into the air. This can help your living space feel fresher and more comfortable every day. Many people place snake plants in living rooms, offices, and bedrooms because they help create a cleaner indoor environment. Their tall, upright leaves also trap dust particles, making the air feel less stuffy. While no plant can completely purify an entire house by itself, snake plants are still considered one of the best indoor plants for improving air quality naturally. Plus, unlike machines or air filters, this beautiful plant works quietly while also adding greenery and style to your home without using electricity or needing complicated maintenance routines. Number 2. Produces oxygen at night. Most plants release oxygen during the daytime, but snake plants are different because they continue producing oxygen at night. This makes them one of the best plants to keep in a bedroom. While you sleep, the plant continues exchanging gases, helping create a fresher environment around you. Many plant lovers place snake plants beside their bed because they enjoy the calming feeling of having greenery nearby while resting. Better air circulation and oxygen flow can make bedrooms feel cooler, cleaner, and more relaxing. The snake plant's unique nighttime oxygen production is one reason it became so popular among indoor gardening enthusiasts. Even if your bedroom has limited space or lighting, this plant adapts easily and still looks beautiful. Its tall, elegant leaves bring a peaceful atmosphere into the room while requiring very little care. For people who want a simple plant that supports a calm sleeping environment, the snake plant is one of the best choices available. Number 3. Extremely low maintenance. If you struggle to keep plants alive, the snake plant may become your new best friend. This plant is famous for surviving neglect and still looking healthy. It can handle missed waterings, low sunlight, dry indoor air, and changing temperatures much better than many other houseplants. That's why beginners love it so much. Even busy people who travel often or work long hours can still enjoy having a beautiful green plant at home without worrying constantly about care. Snake plants do not need daily attention or special gardening skills to thrive. In fact, overwatering is usually the biggest mistake people make with them. Simply watering occasionally and placing the plant near indirect light is often enough to keep it happy. Because of its toughness, the snake plant is commonly recommended as one of the easiest indoor plants in the world. It gives your home a fresh, natural look while demanding very little time, effort, or maintenance from you. Number 4. Adds modern style to any room. Snake plants are not only practical but also incredibly stylish. Their tall, sword-shaped leaves instantly add a modern and elegant appearance to any room. Interior designers often use snake plants in homes, offices, cafes, and apartments because they match almost every decorating style. Whether your home looks minimalist, modern, bohemian, or classic, this plant blends beautifully into the space. The strong vertical leaves create structure and visual interest, making empty corners feel alive and sophisticated. Many people use decorative pots to make snake plants stand out even more as part of their interior design. They look beautiful beside couches, near windows, at entryways, or even inside bathrooms. Unlike some plants that appear messy as they grow, snake plants maintain a clean and organized look. This makes them ideal for people who want greenery without creating clutter. Their simple yet striking appearance can instantly upgrade the mood and style of an indoor space with almost no effort. Number 5. Helps increase indoor humidity. Indoor air can become very dry, especially in rooms with air conditioning, fans, or heaters running for long hours. Snake plants help improve indoor humidity naturally through a process called transpiration. As the plant releases moisture into the air, the room may feel more balanced and comfortable. Small increases in humidity can help reduce dryness around the skin, nose, and throat, while also making indoor spaces feel fresher. Although one plant alone will not completely change the humidity of an entire house, having several indoor plants together can make a noticeable difference. Snake plants are especially useful because they continue working while requiring very little care. Their moisture release process is completely natural and silent, unlike electric humidifiers that need power and maintenance. This makes snake plants a simple and affordable way to improve indoor comfort. At the same time, they also add beauty and greenery to the room, creating a healthier and more relaxing atmosphere overall. Number 6. Perfect for small spaces. Not everyone has a large home or spacious garden, but snake plants are perfect for small spaces because they grow upward instead of spreading outward. Their compact growth style allows them to fit easily into apartments, bedrooms, dorm rooms, offices, and tiny corners that other plants may outgrow quickly. Even a small snake plant can completely change the feel of a room by adding color and life to an otherwise empty area. Many people place them on desks, shelves, bedside tables, or narrow corners because they do not require much floor space. This makes them one of the best indoor plants for urban living where space is limited. Their vertical shape also creates the illusion of height, helping rooms feel more open and stylish. Because they tolerate low light and irregular care, snake plants are ideal for people who want greenery in small indoor spaces without dealing with large pots, complicated setups, or constant maintenance challenges every week. Number 7. Can boost focus and productivity. Adding plants to a workspace can make the environment feel calmer, cleaner, and more enjoyable, and snake plants are excellent choices for offices or study areas. Many people notice that working around greenery helps reduce stress and creates a more peaceful atmosphere for concentration. The simple presence of natural plants indoors can make spaces feel less cold and artificial, especially in rooms filled with computers and electronics. Snake plants are particularly useful because they stay neat and upright without needing constant care. Their clean appearance helps create an organized and professional look that works well in both home offices and business environments. Since they tolerate indoor conditions so well, they can survive under office lighting where many other plants struggle. A comfortable and visually pleasing workspace can support better focus and motivation throughout the day. Even a single snake plant on a desk or near a workstation can make the room feel more welcoming, balanced, and mentally refreshing during busy work hours. Number 8. Long-lasting and durable snake plants are known for their incredible durability and long lifespan. Unlike delicate houseplants that quickly wilt or lose leaves, snake plants remain strong and attractive for many years with minimal care. Some healthy snake plants can survive for decades and continue growing steadily over time. Their tough leaves resist damage and maintain their shape beautifully, even in less than perfect conditions. This makes them a great investment for anyone who wants a long-lasting indoor plant without constantly replacing dead or unhealthy greenery. Because they grow slowly, they also keep their tidy appearance for a long time without becoming overwhelming indoors. Many people pass mature snake plants down through generations because they are so resilient and easy to maintain. Their ability to survive neglect, changing temperatures, and low light conditions makes them one of the most dependable houseplants available today. For busy homeowners or beginners, having a plant that stays healthy for years can make indoor gardening feel simple, rewarding, and stress-free. Number 9. Easy to propagate. One of the most exciting things about snake plants is how easy they are to propagate. Instead of buying multiple plants, you can grow new ones directly from a mature snake plant. This can be done through leaf cuttings or by dividing the roots when repotting the plant. Many plant lovers enjoy propagation because it saves money and allows them to expand their indoor plant collection naturally. Watching a small cutting grow into a healthy new plant is also very satisfying and rewarding. Snake plant propagation is beginner-friendly and does not require expensive tools or advanced gardening experience. With patience and proper care, a single plant can eventually create several new plants for different rooms around the home. Some people even share propagated snake plants as gifts for friends and family. Because the plant is so hardy, the chances of successful propagation are higher compared to more sensitive houseplants. This makes snake plants both practical and fun for indoor gardening enthusiasts. Number 10. Creates a relaxing environment. One of the most underrated benefits of snake plants is the peaceful and calming atmosphere they create indoors. Adding greenery to your home can make spaces feel warmer, softer, and more inviting. The natural green leaves help reduce the cold feeling that empty walls or furniture sometimes create. Many people feel more relaxed when surrounded by plants because nature has a calming effect on the mind. Snake plants are especially good for this because their upright leaves create a clean and balanced appearance that feels organized and soothing. Whether placed in a bedroom, living room, office, or hallway, they instantly make the space feel more alive and comfortable. Their low-maintenance nature also means you can enjoy their beauty without stress or constant attention. Even after a busy day, coming home to a peaceful indoor environment filled with greenery can help improve your mood and overall comfort. A simple snake plant can truly transform the feeling of an entire room. The snake plant is much more than just a decorative houseplant. It improves indoor air quality, produces oxygen at night, survives with very little care, and adds modern beauty to almost any room. Whether you want cleaner indoor spaces, stylish home decor, or an easy plant that lasts for years, the snake plant delivers incredible benefits without demanding much attention. It's one of the best choices for beginners, busy homeowners, apartment dwellers, and anyone who wants to bring nature indoors. Even a single snake plant can completely change the atmosphere of a room and make your home feel fresher, calmer, and more inviting. If you've been thinking about adding indoor plants to your home, this might be the perfect place to start. Which snake plant benefit surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more amazing plant tips and indoor gardening ideas every week.